Homeowners are constantly looking for upgrades that improve comfort while adding long-term value to their properties. One home improvement that has gained significant attention in recent years is the installation of a walk-in tub. Originally viewed primarily as an accessibility feature, walk-in tubs are now recognized for their ability to enhance safety, convenience, and overall home appeal. For homeowners in Mobile, installing a walk-in tub can provide practical benefits that extend beyond daily comfort. As more buyers seek homes that support aging in place and accessible living, this bathroom upgrade can contribute to increased property value and market appeal. Growing demand for accessible features. Many homebuyers today are looking for properties that offer long-term usability. Features that improve accessibility are becoming increasingly desirable, particularly for older adults and individuals planning to remain in their homes as they age. Walk-in tubs provide a safer bathing solution by reducing the need to step over high tub walls. Their low entry thresholds and built-in safety features appeal to homeowners who value convenience and mobility support. As accessibility becomes a greater priority, homes equipped with these features may attract a broader range of buyers. Improving bathroom functionality. Bathrooms are among the most important rooms when it comes to home value. Upgrades that improve functionality often make a strong impression on potential buyers. Walk-in tubs offer several features that enhance the overall usability of the bathroom, including low step-in entry, built-in seating, grab bars, slip-resistant flooring, easy-to-reach controls. These features create a safer and more comfortable bathing experience while adding modern functionality to the space. A well-designed bathroom upgrade can increase both enjoyment and perceived value. Supporting aging in place. Many homeowners are planning for the future by making their homes more adaptable to changing mobility needs. Walk-in tubs allow individuals to remain independent and comfortable in their own homes for longer periods. This concept, often referred to as aging in place, has become an important consideration for many buyers. Homes that already include accessible features may require fewer future modifications, making them particularly appealing to those seeking long-term living solutions. This added convenience can positively influence a home's marketability. Enhancing comfort and relaxation. Modern walk-in tubs offer more than accessibility features. Many models include comfort-oriented options such as hydrotherapy jets, heated seating, fast drain systems, adjustable water controls, therapeutic massage features. These amenities can create a spa-like experience within the home. Homeowners often appreciate the ability to relax and unwind while enjoying the practical benefits of a safer bathing environment. Luxury and comfort features may further enhance the appeal of the bathroom. Increasing buyer interest. Home improvements that stand out can help a property attract attention when it enters the market. A walk-in tub can serve as a distinctive feature that separates a home from competing listings. Buyers who value accessibility, safety, or comfort may view the installation as a significant advantage. Even buyers who do not currently require mobility features may appreciate having them available for future needs. By appealing to multiple types of buyers, walk-in tubs can contribute to stronger market interest. Modern designs complement today's bathrooms. Today's walk-in tubs are available in a variety of styles and finishes that blend well with modern bathroom designs. Manufacturers offer options that complement different aesthetics while maintaining the safety and accessibility features homeowners need. Sleek designs, attractive fixtures, and customizable features allow walk-in tubs to enhance the overall appearance of the bathroom. A visually appealing installation can contribute to both comfort and home value. Energy-efficient features. Many modern walk-in tubs are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Improved insulation helps maintain water temperature, while efficient plumbing systems support better water management. Some models also include features that reduce energy consumption during operation. These efficiencies can contribute to lower operating costs while supporting overall household comfort. Energy-conscious upgrades often appeal to today's homeowners. Professional installation matters. Proper installation is essential for maximizing the value of a walk-in tub. Professional installers help ensure that plumbing connections, drainage systems, and structural requirements are properly addressed. Correct installation contributes to long-term performance, safety, and reliability. A professionally installed walk-in tub provides homeowners with confidence that their investment will continue to deliver benefits for years to come. A valuable upgrade for mobile homeowners installing a walk-in tub offers more than improved accessibility. It enhances safety, comfort, and convenience while helping create a bathroom that meets the changing needs of homeowners and future buyers. For homeowners in mobile, a walk-in tub can be a smart investment that adds both personal enjoyment and long-term value. By improving functionality and supporting aging in place, this upgrade helps create a home that remains comfortable, practical, and appealing for many years to come.